Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be installing a part that I think for just 12 bucks actually makes a little bit of a difference on your car, and it is right here actually. Bam! There are going to be some drop that, but there are going to be some lights for the doors, so when you open them it's not that bland, boring yellow light. It's going to have the BMW emblem, and on the front I'm going to have the M logo for the BMW. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but we gotta traverse through this frozen tundra that is Chicago right now. So I'll see you when we're in the garage, all right? There's some quick shoveling of the drive-thru and a little bit of distractions with my dog. We're gonna go ahead and install this right quick. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need for this. It's not gonna be very difficult. It's gonna be pretty simple actually. Really all you need is a Gerber multi-tool, any brand don't matter, or just a flathead, but I use a multi-tool because it has a flathead, so why not? So what we're gonna do is, since we already did the front, I'm gonna show you exactly where it's at, and then we're gonna move on from there, okay? So, simple. You're gonna go to your car, pop open the door, and you're gonna go ahead and see right here, where's the little light? Right there. You're just gonna go ahead and put your flathead right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate for you while I do it, but I'm explaining it now. You're gonna pop it out, and then you're just gonna plug in the new ones. And don't do like what I did when I first installed my front ones, which is that I put the M logos backwards and they look like W's, and I had to pop it back out and put it back in. So make sure you test it before you actually pop it back in. So let's go ahead and kick it. We're down here. Let's go ahead and knock this out right quick. So easy enough. Got your flathead. You're gonna go ahead and just pop this right out. You'll see the little indent. Pull it out. You'll see the little cable here. You're gonna go ahead and gently pull that out. My hands are a little frozen here, but you're gonna pull that out gently. You're gonna take your new bulb. It has these adapters that you're gonna have to put in before you go ahead and put these in, and then you're gonna go ahead and just plug them up. You see right away it lights up, and it's got that this one's got the BMW logo. You probably can't see it, but now what I want to do is I want to make sure that my light is actually coming out the right way. So it actually has a little knob in here that you can adjust it so that you can have it however you want. So what I'm going to do is shove these cables in here quickly, and I'm going to test out where it's going to be, and I'm just going to show you guys as I'm doing that. So we're going to go ahead and aim this right down here. Sorry if the audio is all jacked up. And I'm going to be testing it out where I think it's going to go. I do need it to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to go ahead and close the garage and be right back. We're back. The garage door's closed. You can see right here where it would sit in this little, in the little gap here. Right now the logo is kind of facing this way. What I want to do, it's got a little piece right here. I don't know if you can see it, a little swivel. And I want to move that out because I want it to be sitting perfectly. When it is in here, I want the BMW logo to be kind of like it is now when it's wide open, which it kind of is right now. So I'm going to just turn it a little bit more. Bam. Now, I put this in right here. And when the door is open, you'll see that BMW logo on the floor. Really doesn't do anything performance-wise, but we're gonna go ahead and just pop it back in, and then we'll come right back to it, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and show the rest of the installation process because this part is thicker than the stock one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop you back down and show you that. And let's go ahead and wrap it up. Get on down here. Put that one corner in, and this is the part that it gets a little tricky because it is not, it's a little bit fatter. This one is actually a little bit fatter, so it's a little bit trickier to get in there, and you kind of just have to jam it in there. But you also don't want to risk messing up the light itself. just hold on there and bam, just jam it in there. And there you go. Now, when you open the door, instead of seeing that crummy old yellow light that it comes with stock, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what you're gonna actually see again. The light just turned off, but we'll go ahead and close the door, open it back up, and bam, now you got that BMW logo instead of that crummy old yellow light that it comes with stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side really quickly, and then I'll go ahead and add the price of what it costs and where you can find them. So it'll be super simple, but let's go ahead and do that right quick.
His music is saying you to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, you, I love you, now let me play you some beautiful music, you know? So there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Just like that, both sides are done. Quick installation, and when compared to the old one, I honestly think it's a lot better. Okay, easy installation, literally only took about 5 minutes each side, and it's something that you can do as well. So the part is really simple. You find it, I'll show you, I'm gonna put the link down below. Either Amazon, eBay, either way, they have a bunch of different choices on there. They have the M Sport badge, they have the BMW logo, they have the silhouette of the M3 with the M colors. A bunch of different stuff you can put on there, but I think it just makes the car stand out a little bit more without having to do much to it. So I'm gonna put that down below. If you liked it, please subscribe. There's gonna be more content coming soon. All this dirt and dust on the car. But tune in next week. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your M3 badge on the back. And I'm gonna black it out because I don't like the chrome anywhere on this car, to be honest. So slowly I'm gonna be blacking out all the chrome that's on there because I don't like it. So we'll tune in next week. It's gonna be a simple process also, and it's not a very expensive part as well. Little details that make the car stand out. So please, if you like what you saw, comment, like, and subscribe for more.
This is